Do you want to make money online? Do you want a side hustle or maybe a full-time income? Do you want to grow your YouTube channel? Do you want to grow on any other platform? This video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to take right now. If you're a small YouTuber, a blogger, or just somebody that wants to have an income online, do this. Hey, I'm Malin. I'm your online mentor. I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve, regardless of your location or budget. All of the links that are down below in the description box will take you to free versions to help you grow the business and life that you deserve. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the bell so that you don't miss out on anything. There are all kinds of support here, like tools, tutorials, tips and tricks, everything for you to succeed and be happy. The most important predictor of success is grit. The sole factor of your mindset here is the grit. What is grit? Share what you think grit is in the comments below. According to Duckworth, who made a TED Talk years back, grit is the combination of passion and perseverance. And in order to succeed online, you need to be passionate about what you're doing and you need to be perseverant. And I'm going to share with you what you need to do in order to do that. Number 4, get yourself properly trained. Learn marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, video marketing. Learn how to set up a website, do keyword research, define your target audience, find your customer avatar, finding your niche, creating great videos, learn how to convey a message, become an influence in your field, how to hook your audience and make them stay, and how to provide massive value. Link to the mentors down below, or just type in malilimbo.com/resources and you'll find the link there. Free workshops to start with. Number 3 is about being audience obsessed. Being obsessed with giving value to your audience. You're not going to succeed if you don't. Remember passion and perseverance. So if you're passionate about your topic and you're passionate about your audience, you're going to be successful eventually. So be passionate and obsessed with your audience. And how do you do that? Well, everything you do, every day, every week, every month, do it with your audience in mind. Always deliver value. Number 2, be as productive as humanly possible. If you're going to reach, for example, 100 subscribers on YouTube, you need to be productive. Regardless of you being a blogger, vlogger, or making other kinds of videos, and whichever platform you're on, there needs to be content coming from you every week for a long time, because grit is passion and perseverance, and grit is the ability to work towards very long-term goals without giving up. And you might not feel like it every week, but you have to take action. Define your goals and milestones in actionable goals. Like, for example, produce a blog post or a video every week. That's an action goal, and that's what's going to take you to your end goal eventually. Maybe you want to get monetized on YouTube. Maybe you want to get into YouTube Partner Program. YouTube is going to look at how often you upload videos, how consistent you are, how you're engaging with your audience, how popular your videos are, for how long people are watching them. There are lots and lots of factors that are important in order for you to reach that goal of YouTube monetization, if that's what you want. Now for number 1, stay focused. Don't diverge from your path. Have you made up your mind to grow on Facebook or LinkedIn or on YouTube? Stay the course. Don't get distracted. Stay focused. This is what will get you the results. The sole factor of your mindset here is the grit, passion, and the perseverance. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Please share in the comments below what's going to be your next action goal. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the bell so that you don't miss out on anything. All the best, and I'll see you in the next one.